Welcome everybody, it is Bobby 2 Pops of Breaks on Wednesday. It is August the 21st. We are breaking Gold Rush Hall of Fame jerseys. It's a 2-box break from a case we started the other night. Randomed up our remaining 4 boxes. We got 2 and 5. We did pick it in, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the names and customers, alphabetized, y'all. Gave them a chance to trade. Did have a trade go down that was entered. Pop, pop of your seal. Alright, here we go, guys. Bam. Boom. Well, gonna be Penny, guys. Damn it, Ants. Ed kept buying them, and yeah, and then as soon as he let him go, that's when he comes out. And that's the first break that he hadn't had him, and sure enough, that's the one he comes out in. Gonna be Penny Anthony Hardaway, Beckett Witness, hologram on it. A Golden State jersey. Oh, that's Tim. Sorry, that's Madway. Did I got the wrong Hardaway? Shit, yeah, looks like I got the wrong Hardaway. Sorry, Jason. Well, gonna be a Sloan hit with the Tim Hardaway guys. I'm sorry, Jason. Yeah, I thought that was Penny for sure, but yeah, like I said, I'm not super familiar with basketball. It's gonna be a Sloan. Box number 2. Bam! Well, not a monster, but not a bad hit there either, guys. Going to be a Ray Lewis, Black Baltimore. Very cool looking jersey, guys. Ray Lewis, Beckett Witness, hologram on her. Well, it's going to be a DC hit. DC's first hit in a little while there. Congrats on that, DC. That is going to wrap up that 2-boxer, guys. Call out your keeps. I don't know if we'll be able to get the other one in here tonight, but we're sure going to try. So call out your keeps. Join us at Bobby 2 Pops Breaks.